In this series, we will be learning about how to use Google Earth. So let's get started. First, open Google Earth Pro application on your laptop or computer. If you do not have Google Earth Pro installed in your computer, you can go to Google and search for Google Earth Pro. And click on the first one, that is called Earth Versions. Click on Google Earth Pro on desktop. Click on this download link. Click on accept and download. Your file has been downloaded here. Click on this. After download, it will be installing automatically. And installation is complete. Then close this dialog box and open. Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro has a huge popularity for its high-resolution satellite imagery base map. You can see the data or satellite imagery source at the bottom of the screen. When we move our mouse button, the imagery date, latitude, and longitude will be changed accordingly. We can left click and drag to change our view to our desired location. The middle scroll button of the mouse is used to zoom in and zoom out. When we zoom in and zoom out, our eye altitude value is changed accordingly. We can also use this button for panning around. And this one to orbit. And if we click and drag the scroll button of our mouse, it will also change the orbit like this. You might need some time to get used to this. Now let's zoom out this. If we click on the N, the Earth will be reset to the north. This is the top menu bar. Here are 6 menus: File, Edit, View, Tools, Add, and Help. We will be using all these menus later on. Under the top menu there is a search bar. Here you can search your location by the name of that location or latitude and longitude. Let's say Tokyo and click on search. The Earth is zoomed to Tokyo. You can zoom further on. Using the mouse scroll button. Click and drag the mouse scroll button for changing the orbit. Now you can clear search results by clicking on the cross button. Under the search panel there is a panel called places. Here we can save our places and add folder, place mark, path, polygon, model, tool, photo, image overlay and network links. We can see that later. Under the places panel there is another panel called layers. Here are some layers that could be turned on, off or off. Let's turn on the 3D buildings to see the building as 3D. Since the Tokyo city has been 3D mapped in Google Earth, we can see it in 3D. Not all cities are 3D mapped in Google Earth. You can pan, look around, zoom in, zoom out for better visualizations. You can record the tour and make a video out of this. We will be seeing that in later. At the top of the main view panel there are some handy tools which we will be using so frequently. Let's end this introduction session here. We will be seeing more interesting features on later videos. Thank you very much.